If your book club is anything like mine, the biggest pain is figuring out what to read next. Let me show you how I use Copilot in Excel to make our book club way easier to manage. I'm Christine from Microsoft. Let's get started. My book club had 8 book ideas and 0 agreement. Instead of a messy poll, I decided to open Copilot in Excel to create a functioning bracket. To start, open a new Excel workbook and click on the Copilot icon. This prompt sounds unique, but will get us something very useful. Create an 8-book single elimination tournament bracket using this list of book names. Include space for book names, matchups, and winners advancing each round. Make it a visual tool within Excel, something I can use over again in the future. Copilot provides a full tournament bracket with several rounds and spots for each book. We'll simply add in the winning book names as we vote each round. But Excel can help our group enjoy this process even more. As this is a book club, I want the vibes to be a little more us, and discussion questions ready for when we get together. So I prompt Copilot, design this to be cozy. Also, add a sheet with discussion topics for the winning book. For now, keep them generic questions that can apply to any book club conversation. Look how cute this is. Who knew Excel could be so cute? Instead of debating what to read, we're enjoying reading. If this saved you time, we're not done. Join us in our next video to learn more about Copilot.